Okay, we are going to be taking a line that's in a different form than what you guys are used to. Okay, we're going to take a line that's in standard form. Okay, standard form is some number x plus some number y equals some number. Okay, that's a new form. You've never seen it before. Okay, but it's called standard form. A, B, and C, those are just regular numbers. Okay, they could be positive or negative. They could be integers. Okay, but there's no fractions. Okay, there's no decimals. And it's better if the first number is not negative. Even though the problem I'm going to do in a minute, the first problem, the A is negative, but that's just so I can explain something to you. But that's no big deal. It's just that look at these three examples. These three examples are in standard form. Now, what we're going to do with these is we're going to put them into slope-intercept form, which you guys are used to. Y equals mx plus b. Okay, and I wanted to show you just a visual of this. I know some of you don't like the visuals, but maybe it'll help you understand at least a few things about it. Okay, we're going to solve negative 4x plus 2y equals 6. We're going to solve it for y, because if we solve it for y, we're going to end up with slope-intercept form. Okay, just play with this for a minute. Give it a chance. Okay, we're going to build negative 4x. I'm grabbing 4 at a time. Negative 4x plus 2y. Okay, y is a new variable. We're going to let y be a circle. So negative 4x plus 2y's on the left, balance with 6 on the right. Okay, and I want to solve this for y. I want to get y alone. Okay, well, the first thing I want to do is get rid of my 4 red x's. I want to get rid of those 4 red x's. And what I could do visually, okay, with tiles is I could add 4 positive x's to them. That will make all of those cancel out. But if I do that to the left, I'm getting really good with dragging more than one tile at a time. This is fun. Okay, if I add 4 green rectangles on the left, I need to add 4 green rectangles on the right. Okay, so I added 4x to both sides. Okay, after I do that, look at the left side. Your 4 red rectangles and your 4 green rectangles. They all go away. I'm just going to go over all of them and backspace. Okay, they're gone. Okay, so now here's what I'm left with. I'm left with simply 2y on the left. And on the right, I still have my 4 x's and I still have my 6. Okay, they're still there. I can't do anything with them. So I'm just going to write down 4x plus 6. We're almost done. I want to solve this for y. Okay, I wanted to first get rid of my 4 red x's. Okay, but now I need to get everything split apart because I want to know what 1y is equal to. Okay, well, if 2y is equal to 4x plus 6, this is different for y'all. Not only do I want to split apart my rectangles for each y, I also need to split up my squares for each y. Oops, got too many. Because I want to split up everything. Okay, I want to split up everything. So I can tell by my visual here that each y is equal to 2x's plus 3. Okay, so I divided each side by 2, and that left me with y equals 2x plus 3. I'm never going to have you require that you use tiles, but I want to see if this can help some of you visualize what we did. Okay, so what we did, I want you to notice that we got rid of the subtracted 4x by adding 4x to both sides. And that left us with 2y is equal to 4x plus 6. Okay, then to get rid of the multiply 2, we divided both sides by 2. Okay, we split both sides up. And look at this. This is different. You never had to do a problem like this where you had to take the 4x's and divide it by 2 and take the 6 over here and divide it by 2. Okay, you've never done that before. You've never taken the two things added or subtracted and had to divide each piece by a number. But in this kind of problem, you do. Okay, let's work through some examples without the tiles and see if you catch on.